Hey everyone, Connor here, and I am with Maddie and Ava, and we are going to see Melanie Martinez in Houston on May 23rd. We are getting ready for that though. So tonight, before we do so, scroll back up a little bit. No, not Billy. Billy, get away. We are watching the K-12 movie. I'm kind of keeping them up with the lore, you know, just to make sure that's in their mind fresh, because it is very show-like.
We also prepared for this trip by going to Walmart before.
We did go to Walmart. Insert clip.
Now.
How did that make you feel?
Skinny girl. Who is he?
I don't eat
These are two different purples. Wait, I swear to God.
How many carbs does that? It would say on the back. 60 grams of sugar, 60 carbs.
I don't fucking care. It doesn't look like
No,
I can.
me. I'm saying me.
We're about to go on a trip. I thought you said you chewed on trips.
That's on Grinder. Okay, that's over. Look how shaky I am. You can't see it. I forgot it's all internal. We got Wingstop as well. Well, we got Wingstop. Maddie had to be different and get Subway.
I just got fries though.
Okay, so now we're watching the K-12 movie. They're gonna update you. Well, we already all saw it technically, but it's been a long time since I've seen this movie.
It's been since it came out.
You need to remind me when Drama Club comes up though, because I'm looking away.
Oh, I will. I'll tell you. It's before that. You mean the skin part? You'll know. The song comes on halfway before that skin part even comes on.
It's so gross.
But no, now we're gonna watch the K-12 movie, and then we're gonna update y'all after, and then we are going to vlog the Houston trip. It's almost time to go.
I got kicked out of my get ready station because I woke up home. So.
Yeah, and there was a naked person. Now it's time to go to Houston. Hey.
Say hi, Miko. Say hi. No, you're not feeling it? Okay, bye.
But yeah, now I'm ready to drink my Monster Energy.
Me too, I'm ready for my monster too.
Grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. Was that the Texas song?
Was that it?
Was that it?
We're in Texas.
Okay, I thought whenever
Are you filming?
Yeah,
Okay.
I thought whenever Ava said we're gonna see a Texas. I thought when Ava said we were gonna see a Texas. Oh, I thought when Ava said. Why did he stay in the lunch? Oh my God. I thought when Ava said we were gonna see a Texas like sign, it'll be like some nice fucking thing. It was a fucking this little like
I think
blue
it's
sign.
coming up here.
There's a star. We're in Texas.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah, here's the
Yeah,
star.
I said it's right after the bridge.
And then there's a little star. Texas! This ain't Texas. Woo!
And I'll hold on.
Hey! I don't know the words.
There it is. We're in Texas.
Houston, Texas, baby.
You're welcome, John. What's been going on in your life?
Honestly, my life's been pretty good lately. I have a lot to be grateful for.
Yeah. Appreciate it. Goodbye.
So nice though.
I know.
I felt so bad whenever he picked up the phone and was like, hey, I'm Dale from the...
I made his day. He just prayed.
He prayed for your aunt with her pacemaker.
They
Kinda
were
like
playing
16, 14.
Chapel Roan in
At
the
the
Buc-ee's. They're not playing it anymore. We had to like listen to it, of course. But we were in the bathroom just listening to our chapel. Okay.
Pissing to chapels.
Okay.
Made it to the Rainforest.
John's here to the Rainforest Cafe.
Here is Connor with the frog. Connor with the frog. Connor with the frog. Yeah. Yeah.
My name?
Ava.
Yes.
Say rutabaga.
Hey guys, we're at the Rainforest Cafe. I just want to say that they played Cage the Elephant with the elephants right over there. Isn't that crazy? I kind of
Elephant.
wish we were next to the elephants.
Yeah.
I mean, next to the gorillas for this gorilla.
Maybe they'll play gorillas.
Maybe they will.
You're so right.
Feels good. Why not just sing for them? Like,
Guys, it's thundering.
there's an earthquake. It's a rainstorm. It's an earthquake.
Aren't you so scared?
I'm literally terrified. Thank you.
Yeah, so I'm assuming you'll get one.
Well, I don't want to drink.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get a drink at another place. I'll get some drinks tonight.
Well, Maddie now has a cup, so we don't all.
We are about to go on a water ride in the Rainforest Cafe. I am not sure if we will be able to video while on the ride, but just so you know, this is what it's gonna look like. Wait, what are you doing here?
Wow. Huh? Oh,
It's kind of cute.
I think we're gonna get wet.
I think we're gonna have fun, and that's all that matters.
Oh yeah, of course.
Plus, we're going home anyway after this. By home, I mean to
Up there, right?
Hey Ava, what's your worry about this ride?
My piercings are gonna show.
That was a little too realistic and violent.
No, like.
I don't know how I feel about that one.
That was scary.
Oh, I felt like the slightest bit of water from like right hitting the side. That's what gets us wet. Just over time, the slightest bit.
Get me away from that fuck ass monkey. Get me away from it. Yes, got her.
Go see Ava. Perfect. How do they have all this in a restaurant?
Literally.
Like, what budgets they have? No wonder why the food is expensive.
I know. Why it look like that? Oh my god, is it gonna shit on us?
It's gonna give birth.
Could you imagine if it like sprays? That is a giraffe ass.
Giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
Jurassic Park. You can get one right here.
Ah.
Oh no.
Oh, that is cold. What the fuck?
Who's moaning?
Hello. Scared the fuck out of me.
Why are we trying to go faster? No. I refuse.
I was about to say, where is the elephant?
Obviously,
Oh, that's cool.
I know that they're alligators. Crocodiles.
Crocodiles. Hey, buddy!
This shit is that happened to time of my life. It's like a Disney ride, guys.
I know.
Yeah, you roll on a budget.
It doesn't have eyes. Oh, yes, it does. I'm dumb. That is a human. That is a man.
He is in pain.
Oh, hey.
My name's Ava and I go to LSU University. Go to LSU. My name's Ava and I go to Louisiana State University. Go to Tigers.
Whoa. Oh.
You better not. No. I think it goes away. Okay. Thank God. I'm about to be like,
Okay.
That could have been bad.
What?
Where?
That?
What the fuck?
No, but it's stay fine.
Look at your shirt. It's glowing. Who are you? What is happening? I know.
What do they feed us?
I know.
Imagine being on something like that.
I know.
That was the best intelligence.
No, literally. Like it.
Like, I would trade nothing.
How was it?
Oh,
I can't see.
I can't see either.
Oh, y'all both fogged up
The
glasses.
blind leading the blind.
Well, I can see, but I ain't gonna lead y'all.
Oh my
Like, I
God.
actually can't see.
Run out to the road, Maddie. So we accidentally ran out of gas. Like we forgot. We knew we needed the gas,
I
but
didn't know we needed gas. I would've
we
reminded
mentioned
y'all.
it like 27 times.
I
We
would have
really
reminded
did.
y'all. I knew though.
But like,
That's the wrong.
0 miles. It's past the empty mark, by the way.
Not it being past it.
I want to try Mr. Beast Burger.